Our next speaker is Alvin Moss.
Dr. Romero, Dr. Cohn, members and guests. I am a nephrologist. I work with the nephrologist who observed that dialysis-associated encephalopathy was caused by aluminum in the water used for dialysis. These patients developed a speech disorder, and then they had personality changes. With repeated exposures to aluminum on dialysis, they got progressively worse and died. At autopsy, they had very high concentrations of aluminum in their brains. When the aluminum was removed from the dialysate, the syndrome disappeared. Second, in preterm infants, pediatricians noted that intravenous feeding with aluminum-containing solutions led to long-term neurologic impairment. Like for dialysis patients, the aluminum neurotoxicity was cumulative and dose-related, with the toxic effect or the neurotoxicity being seen when the infants had received 450 micrograms or more of aluminum. Third, in a case report in a series of 159 autistic patients, neurologists at Hopkins described a 19-month-old healthy little girl who, within 48 hours of receiving DTaP, Hib, MMR, polio, and varicella, containing a total of 850 micrograms of aluminum, experienced fever, inconsolable crying, and refusal to walk, which progressed to autism. In her workup, the neurologist found mitochondrial dysfunction. In their series of 159 patients, they found findings suggestive of mitochondrial dysfunction in 47% of the autistic patients. Others have observed a similar rate of mitochondrial dysfunction in autistic patients. The neurologists hypothesized that the oxidative stresses of immune activation with vaccination compromise brain cellular energy metabolism in patients with mitochondrial dysfunction, leading to regressive autism. In postmortem studies of autistic patients, researchers have found concentrations of aluminum in their brains as high as those in patients with dialysis-associated encephalopathy. Why am I telling you this? First of all, we now understand aluminum neurotoxicity. It occurs in a susceptible population after repeated exposures with a cumulative toxic dose. It's eradicated when the aluminum is removed. So, the vaccine schedule of the 26 vaccines that are administered by 18 months in the CDC vaccine schedule, 61% contain aluminum for a total of 4,925 micrograms of aluminum. Children receive an aluminum-containing vaccine on every single visit till 18 months of age. In sum, cumulative parenteral aluminum causes brain damage.
Your time has expired.
Thank you. Causes brain damage in some children. Please